All right, Pedro Morales with Morales Outdoors. I am at something Lynn Lake in Albany. Forgot what it was called already, but let's see what we can do. All right, so I got a hit on the pink worm. So I changed it to a crawler, and we're gonna see what happens right here on this little, I don't know if this is a landing, what this is considered, but let's try it out. Now this tactic works on bass as well as trout. It's just a night crawler with two split shots, weedless, just dragging it slowly on the bottom. Ever so slowly.
Pay very close attention from the time that I cast it to the time that I catch this fish. It's pretty consistent with the amount of time that it takes. The slow reel and settle, slow reel and settle. You'll see the consistency on these fish.
Got one, guys. Don't know what it is, but I got one. Oh, it's a trout. Nice. Check it out, guys. Beautiful one. Look at that. Oh. This one was caught before for some reason. This is a braided line that somebody hooked this thing before and it's broken off, but look at that beauty. It's a good one. I'm gonna keep this one. She's gonna die anyways, so holy shit. Emily, I just dropped my pole in the water.
Hey guys, pay close attention to the amount of time from when the bait hits the water and the time that I catch the fish. It's very important to work the bait very slowly on the bottom on warm days for these trout.
Ooh, boys, I got one. I got one. All right, guys. What is it? A little one. Eight inches. Eight inches. It's a keeper. It's gonna be delicious. Let's get some more.
Thanks for joining me on this episode of Morales Outdoors. If you did enjoy it and learn something from it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, go to Instagram and Facebook for more videos that haven't been posted to this page yet. I think you'd really like them. Thank you, and come again.